Thanks, again, to Ben Collins for this tutorial idea. Maybe you want your students or staff to search comparable queries, maybe products, or vocabulary words, or medical information. Anything, really. Here's how to search Google directly from a sheet. With the search term in cell A2, copy this formula, and paste the formula into the cell where you want the full URL to appear. In this example, that's cell B2. Click on the full URL to see what happens. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. A new window with your search opens in Google. The formula can be copied down a whole column, in this case, column B, to pick up any words you've put in column A. Click this next full URL to see what Google search occurs. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. You'll access a Google search for that next term in the column. If you want a hyperlinked word instead of a full URL, copy and paste this formula into the column where you want the hyperlink to appear. Here we've used cell F2. Because hyperlink was added to the formula, it only shows the hyperlinked URL, but it will give you the same results as the link from B2, so either format is an option for you to use. If you wish, you can click the hyperlinked URL in cell F2. This screen is to confirm for you that the same search is achieved from either the full URL or the hyperlink formula. Don't forget to return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. Copy and paste this formula into the column where you want the search to be an image search. Note the addition of TBM equals ISCH to the formula. Here we've started in cell G2. If you want to see the image search for the term in column A, click the hyperlink in cell G2. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. A new window with your image search opens in Google. Copy and paste this formula into the column where you want the search to be a video search. Note we substituted TBM equals VID in the formula. Here we've started in cell H2. Remember that these formulas can be copied down a column, as I did for cell H3. If you want to see the video search for the term in column A, this time let's click the hyperlink in cell H3. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. A new window with your video search opens in Google. A special note from Ben Collins. Please note that there are even more search operators to explore, but not all appear to work in Google Sheets from his initial research. You can click the URL on the screen to open that reference page. Here's another scenario for which you might need to have search links saved in a sheet, comparing the search results for the same search term but from different sites. Here, we'll search the same vocabulary word from different online dictionaries. With the search word in column A and the search site in column B, copy and paste this formula into the column for the hyperlinks. We've used column C. Let's see what happens when we click the hyperlink that our formula gave us in cell C2. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. A new window opened in Google that searched for that search term, from column A, from only the site we requested, from column B. Let's click the hyperlink in cell C3 to see where that formula takes us. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. Now all of the search sites are from the other site we requested even though it was the same search word. A third scenario relies on searching for specific file types. Let's say we want to search for results that have certain medical news, in column A, in TXT or PDF formats, listed in column B. Copy and paste this formula in the column C cells where you want to only search TXT files. This formula uses as underscore file type equals TXT. Copy and paste this formula in the column C cells where you want to only search PDF files. This formula uses as underscore file type equals PDF. Click the link created in cell C2 to see if we get the desired results of search words Medscape and news only in TXT format. Then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. Yes, we did. The results shown are only in TXT format. Now let's see what results we get from cell C3. They should only be PDF type files. If you wish, click the hyperlink from cell C3, then return to the tab with the sheet and to this tutorial. And again, the results all included Medscape and news and are in PDF format. Ben Collins provided the link. You can click on this screen to see what other file types can be searched using this formula. Thanks again to Ben Collins for all of his great Google Sheets support.